Hello world. It misses something. Oh yes, the exclamation mark. I guess now it's the time to run our program. Let's do this. It works. Yes, it works. It works. I can't believe that. Yay! It works. You can feel that happiness, right? Hello world, a common phrase used widely between programmers, either to test your environment or to get your hands in a new programming language. The syntax is pretty different from a language to another, but the output and the feeling of getting it is the same. And as I became a lazy programmer and procrastinator, I'm starting a new challenge. For every subscriber here, I will write for you one line of code, of course a meaningful one. And I'm going to document the challenge through this channel, so make sure to subscribe and support me through this journey. And see you in the next video.